Using item templates will significantly reduce the time it takes to create listings with 6-bit. Item templates are created and managed from Cell Items mode. To create a template from an existing item in the database, select the item you want to use from the grid, and either right-click and select Save as Template, or click the Save as Template button on the ribbon bar. I will name this template Audiobooks and click OK. To create an item template from scratch, open the Manage Item Template window by clicking the dialog box launcher under the Save as Template button on the ribbon bar. Click New, and a standard item window will appear with the word Template displayed over the window. What we put in the product title field will be the name of the item template. We can call this one Children's Books. You can fill out as little or as much of the item template as you want. A good rule to follow is to fill out all of the information that will be the same on each item you create. We can set the product ID type and select which folder we want these items to be saved in under the item repository. Let's quickly fill in some of the other fields. Storage location, pick a description wrapper, and set the eBay categories. When finished, click Save and Exit. To create an item using a template, click the arrow under the Add button on the ribbon bar and select the template we want to use. Replace the item template title with your product title and fill out the remaining information on the item window. When you are done, you can submit the item as a listing or save it and exit back to the grid.